Ito guys, mayroon tayong malaking lapad. Yeah! Kilawin natin to guys, kilaw. Yan guys, oh. Sariwang-sariwa guys, oh. Oh my God, kahuhuli lang to. Iwain na natin guys. Sharp pa itong kutsilyo ko. Yeah. Bonito. Kilawin natin to guys. Sarap na ito guys. Oh. My God. Sarap na ito guys. Ang sarap yan guys. Sariwang sariwa. Oh. Fresh na fresh. Oh. Kaya lang paghiwa guys. Yan. Sus. Parang hindi susisip na kwanto paghiwa Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Kaya mga guys, oh. Wow, sarap yan guys. So guys, oh, gawin natin soup mamaya. I'm gonna mix soup later, okay? This a head for bonito, okay? Oh my God, this I gonna fillet. This yummy. I only like this. Just fillet. It's very easy fillet, eh? Look. Yeah, this one. Let's see. I only like this guy. Easy. Look guys. Okay guys, I gotta mix a bit later, okay? Thank you so much. Ayan guys, sarap ng scabeche ko ngayon. Yan, bagong gawa ko ito guys. It's super yummy guys. Woo! Super yummy guys. Super yummy guys, yan. Yan guys. Wow. Super yummy guys. Yan guys, ang sarap. Yummy. Yummy guys. Wow. Yummy guys. Yan ang scabeche ko guys. Tikman natin yung scabeche ko guys. Sarap yung guys. Sarap to guys, oh. Yummy.